powerful Dyson V8 vacuum is also one of our quietest. It tackles hair from pets and humans with our Motorbar cleaner head and hair detangling vanes. Stiff nylon bristles release ground-in dirt from rugs and carpets, while carbon fibre filaments sweep hard floors. Fully sealed filtration captures microscopic particles smaller than pet dander and traps them inside. It's lightweight and ergonomic to clean up high, down low, and easily reach under furniture. And our specialist hair screw tool sucks up dust, debris and hairs without tangling by spiralling them off the brush bar and into the bin. With attachments designed to pick up pet hair and plenty of runtime, this vacuum makes cleaning up after your pet a walk in the park.